Usambut Menteri Rangba Kajela, Uba Preston Tensong, Uba Pedro Ekatanat Kampo Yin, Mentakesni, Ka Arpo Hinyo Tarik Ujemang Arhajar Arpusau, Ulaong Bakate ka Jaka, Kadon Hakajing Ped Jangka Defense Estate Officer, Bat ka issue Jangki Briew ki Sah Beaiñ Halom Survey, Kadon Menta Hakakti Jangka Yin Kashari. Uba Preston Ulaong Ru, Bawat ka Sorkar Kam Kwah Mansuay Jaka Sa iki Briew ki Bashu Wan Naei, Bat Sah Beaiñ, Hynrei ka Ain Kansale, Jaka Kabadele.
Just tell you one thing. I've asked the Deputy Commissioner to again call a meeting, the joint meeting, because you knew it well that place falls under the defense cantonment area, and the appropriate authority also falls under the defense state officer. Okay. Then what happened was that day, it seems the members of the HYC, they went even without consulting. Well, we understand the sentiments of our young people, no doubt about it. They have so much sentiment. In a way, they thought that demolition is such a simple issue. We just go through and then dismantle, that's it. But let me tell you one thing. The law is there. The regulation is always there. We are also not in favor of sheltering them. If they are all illegal settlers, the law will take its own course. So what happened was, in fact, at that point of time when these members of HYC went over there, a cross violation happened. Why I'm saying that? Because this particular issue, it is still lying with the High Court, Honorable High Court. And tomorrow, Honorable High Court happens to, to go to the second hearing of this particular issue for dismantling, eviction and dismantling of the illegal structures, whatever available over there. So therefore, I would request to all concerned, don't take the law into your own hands, because ultimately you will have a lot of complication. As I said to you, does not mean that the government just sleeping over it. We wanted to do it, and we wanted to verify whether these people, they belong from India or maybe they are not. That still we can't say much about it, because the certification and verification is still on. So I think let us see. As I said to you, because tomorrow the hearing will take place, and maybe after that you will see exactly what is the next steps to be taken by not only by the state government but also by the central government under the leadership of the defense estate officer.
Are you seeking any report from Mr. Administration?
Yes, I do. Otherwise, can I reply to you? Okay.
So apart from this loan survey, what we're seeing here is HYC taking matters into their own hands. It's not only this eviction and dismantling of these shelters, but also going to drug users. Here we're supposed to help them, right, their victims. But here we're seeing that HYC is going to them, picking them up, and then their camera showing the victims' faces and all. So why is the government not taking any stern action against such?
Well, that's what I'm saying. I think you'll be able to know very soon, because the meeting, I think, is about to start, or I don't know. I've asked the Deputy Commissioner to call a meeting, be it demolition, eviction, or even when you go all out against the drugs addicts, because he mostly, when the members of society or whoever, when they go and get those addicts, it's different from when you go from the for those people who supply. Because from the government, we are more concerned, in fact, about this supplier, because these are the people who ruin, who spoil the life of those simple people, be it young girls, be it young boys, or be it old also. Now they are addicted to drugs. So the government does not sleep, and now we have already even initiated with that dream, the mission. We took it as a mission mode, fighting against the drugs. So now this mission also is on, and I'm very sure we'll be able to further strengthen this mission in the near future. Thank you.